Do you know the average landing page conversion rate falls around 2.35%? This means a landing page is a great way to drive traffic, enhance your SEO, and establish your brand. Landing pages help to strengthen your brand. Visitors may not convert, but they can remember you in the future. Landing pages have many benefits, but the main advantage of landing pages is they immediately help you to achieve your business goals, like reaching a new niche market, promoting a new product, etc. Therefore, creating a well-designed and optimized landing page should be on your most priority list. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from Paper Video. In this video, I will tell you how to optimize landing pages. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. What is a landing page? A landing page is a separate web page that aims to convince visitors to take some particular action. It receives highly targeted traffic from a social media campaign to a news service or an email campaign. Landing pages are the key element for generating potential leads. So let's understand how exactly you can optimize your landing page. Create a catchy headline. The first thing that a user sees as he comes on your landing page is your headline. A headline is your first impression of any content. Therefore, a catchy headline is essential. The headline should be 6 to 7 words lengthy, focusing on keywords and adjectives. It should convey a clear message and spark curiosity. Use fine pictures. Images impact the user's mind faster than the text. This is why selecting the right image is crucial. Finding the appropriate one can be challenging for you if you are not familiar with the basics of graphics. So instead of compromising with the quality, ask a professional designer to review. If you want to do everything by yourself, make sure your images have real faces and are topically relevant. Monitor your design. Heat mapping tools help you to understand users' experiences while browsing through your page. This separately shows the result of every part and tells which parts of your landing page are getting more attention. You can use this data and customize the layout of your landing page. Add videos. Video content is becoming more popular, and you can use videos on your landing pages as well. Instead of using images to describe what your page is all about, you can use compelling videos. Adding a video is not a compelling task. Most of the software has a video feature. Choose the right colors. Colors play an essential role in grabbing the attention of any customer. Users may switch to other pages if your landing page colors are off and don't match the vibe of your brand. However, there are a few best practices that you can follow while choosing colors. Use warm and cool colors that suit your brand and the product you are promoting. Use different colors to highlight the important part. A dark background with a light text color is a perfect example of driving user attention. Do not create rainbow, means don't use too many colors because it's very distracting. Highlight testimonials. Testimonials are best for building trust. People using your product or service are always effective at converting potential leads into customers. Testimonials ensure getting more conversions just because they develop the trust factor. Use appropriate call to action. Get creative with your CTAs. Using submit as a call to action is old-fashioned now. CTAs are the main element of your landing page. Without a strong CTA, you won't be able to generate leads. It doesn't matter how good the rest of your landing page is. From now, stop using words like submit or send. Instead, use words like download ebook now or check your webpage optimization for free. Create landing page forms mobile friendly. More than 90% of people use mobile for purchasing online products. And in such time, if your landing pages or websites are not mobile friendly, you are missing out on a lot of customers. Mobile ads are very effective because they push customers' desire to buy something right away. Use power of words. Using the customer's voice in your landing page copy is compelling. Mixing this with power words can make your page successful. Your copy should be crisp and concise. Use power words and persuade the audience to take action. Keep your traffic engaged. Making a quick impression is essential, but landing pages should also aim to have a long-term influence. Remember, taking a small commitment makes it easier to get a bigger one. So ask users to follow you on social media or subscribe to your newsletter. These small engagements increase the chances of getting essential commitments later. These points clearly show that small details can have a huge impact. So be conscious of each box or button. These are the top 10 tips to optimize your landing page. Tell us in the comments which ones are you already using and which ones are you going to try. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like, share with your friends, family and colleagues. Share any tips that work for you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.